Welcome to Mount Rainier National Park. Let's get on the road. It may not be the largest, most diverse, or even the most ostentatious, but to many, there's something special about this place. Just as a composer can see greatness in a musical piece that is often missed by others, Mount Rainier is that composition to any connoisseur of the national parks. It's simple, but yet hard to describe. Everything just seems in the right place. Even though the mountain has every right to demand attention as a soloist, it humbly defers its glory to the rest of the musicians, playing in perfect harmony with its surrounding orchestra. Thanks for joining us as my daughter and I spent one memorable day at Mount Rainier National Park. So after all that, we are now at Mount Rainier National Park. According to our preliminary calculations as it pertains to the weather, today was supposed to be the worst day of them all. As you could tell, yesterday was the worst as we were trying to reach the summit of Mount St. Helens. This is called by many one of the best national parks in the national park system. And our first trail today will be the Grove of the Patriarchs. And this is a recommendation from one of America's Parks subscribers.
You want to go jump in there, Dad?
That looks like some really cold water.
But America's Parks always goes for a swim.
Maybe not today though. Wow, it is just crystal clear. Crystal clear.
Yeah, I almost want to drink it.
All right, Natalie, pretty cool bridge up ahead.
Very cool.
One person at a time though. All right, Natalie, so this is trail number 2. Same area, Silver Creek Falls. you turn the bend and it sounds like a hurricane is coming. And I feel so redundant, Natalie, but I'm running out of adjectives. Every time I see these incredible national park sites, it's stunning.
They're
beautiful.
Hard to put words to.
Magnificent. Incredible. Wow, check out these falls.
I've never seen a waterfall with this much force and water. Maybe besides Niagara, but that's it.
It is just so powerful.
Really.
Look at that thing. Spectacular, mind-blowing, exquisite, breathtaking. That's the best I can do today. That is beautiful. We are at Falls Creek right now. Spectacular, absolutely spectacular. Mount Rainier National Park has 4 different entrances. The one we went into at the beginning was this one right here that I'm putting down below. I'm not going to try to pronounce it. Now we're going to the second entrance. This is Sunrise, and unfortunately we just found, we didn't read the fine print on the map, that this road is not officially open until July. So we're going to go in as far as we can, maybe get a view of the mountain. So we got for you now a nice view of the mountain. Check this out.
Seen a mountain that big before. So close. I mean, like, people actually hike that?
Well, they climb it, and it's more of a technical climb.
Yeah.
You need the right gear and the right skills for that one.
Definitely on another level than I am.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful, isn't it?
Incredible.
Mount Rainier National Park, huh? You like it?
I'm loving it.
Well, check that out. Woo! Yeah! And we're doubly excited because today, according to the forecast 24 hours ago, was supposed to be a total washout. I am so thankful that we got to see the mountain today. That'll do it for Mount Rainier National Park. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel.
And remember, there's always room for you on every national park adventure.
All right. Thanks for watching. You take care.